Okay, today I'm going to show you a 2014 Honda Accord Hybrid. This is a non-plug-in version and it has a touring package. This is considered Honda's top-of-the-line Accord. It's got a class-leading energy conservation, over 50 miles per gallon, 45 highway with the 47 miles per gallon combined. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to talk a little bit about the car today. I'm going to talk about the engine, the specs, the interior, what's included in the package. And let's go inside and I'll show you in a minute. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. As you can see, the touring model is equipped with leather trim seats. On the door you can see it has power windows and locks, power outside mirrors. You have memory seats for drivers 1 and 2. On the driver's seat you have power adjustable seats with power lumbar support, perforated leather, really tall headrest, real nice safety item in case you were ever in somebody rear-ended you. And leather wrapped steering wheel. You got your audio controls, you've got your Bluetooth, cruise control on the right hand side. Here on the knob you have the automatic headlights. You have the button here for the camera that's mounted on the outside right mirror. So that'll demonstrate how that works. Push the button, see the side view right there. You can engage that by pushing the button I just showed you, or by just using your right turn signal. Okay, so it has that, and over here on the left hand side you have the eco mode, which adds a little bit more MPGs, and your LDW, which stands for lane departure warning. You got your standard traction control. Up here you have the light for the lane departure warning. So if you're driving and all of a sudden your car starts to change lanes without you using the turn signal, the light up there is going to flash and you'll hear a beeping sound. Same thing goes for the FCW, which is equipped on this car. It's called forward collision warning, except this one will engage if the car senses that you're going to rear end somebody, let you know to slow down. Now the car's not going to actually apply brake pressure, so you have to do it. It will apply brake pressure if you use this feature right here. You see that? ACC, which stands for Adaptive Cruise Control. And that's where the sensor is for the ACC. So if you're driving and there's a car in front of you, you've got the ACC feature activated, the car will gently slow down and accelerate once the car is at a safe distance. Now on the display up here, I'm gonna actually turn the car off so you can see what it looks like. So I just went ahead and pushed the button. So every time you finish driving the car, it's gonna give you a score and rate you, let you know how good you're driving. So when we start the car, and by the way, it does come with push button start. It'll tell you to press the brake, then push the button. So let's do that now. Alright, so the car is on. I'm sure you noticed there is no sound coming from a starter like any other traditional gasoline powered car. Very quiet. So now you see all the information that's come up here. Now you can actually go through the menu see what's in there by pushing these up and down arrows. So let's say, for example, you want to see how much oil you'll have left before you have to go for service apartments. There it is, 100%. Car's brand new. Right here, it's going to let you know whether the car's using the EV mode, hybrid mode, or engine mode. There's your average speed for trip A and B's. How much time you've been driving, your range. Wow, look at that, 730 miles. And your current MPGs. Now, if you select vehicle settings, it'll allow you to calibrate the TPMS system, which is a tire pressure monitoring system. Driver assist system setup, so you can actually adjust the lighting, the position, keyless access setup, door setup, maintenance reset, default all, or exit. On the right side, it tells you how much gas you have left in your tank, and right above that, how much juice you have in the battery. There you have your meter. Lets you know whether the battery is charging or if you're using the engine power. Touring model is equipped with the navigation system. And it's got a premium audio system with the hard disk drive. And what that means is you can just put a CD in there and record it straight to the car's disk drive. Never have to carry CDs ever again in your car. You also get automatic climate control. It is dual zone, so you can put hot air on one side and cold air on the other. Just like that. Now I want to point something out. The car was extremely quiet up until the point where I turned on the air conditioning. And now you can actually hear the engine running. And you probably know why that happened, but let's go ahead and turn it off. Hear that? Yes, that's the engine. Alright, these are your buttons for the navigation system. It's not a touchscreen up there. It's all controlled by using these buttons and then using the knob here, which you can use to turn and then push for enter. Alright, so now here you have your power outlet. You've got your USB connection, your auxiliary input. There's your shifter that's wrapped in leather. You got your heated seat buttons for the front driver and passenger side. You've got your EV button here. So if you push that, oh look at that. EV mode not available. Engine too cold. Alright, we'll wait. 2 cup holders. Armrest with storage compartment. Power outlet. Got little grooves right here for some coin storage. The mirror. You've got the on-off button. Perfect for reducing glare. Up here you got your lights. You've got your buttons for the sunroof. So you got the tilt and slide feature. Home link system. Hook it up to your garage door opener. Storage for your Ray-Ban glasses. Car's equipped with vanity mirrors, lighted on both driver and passenger side. Door handles. And on the passenger side, you also have a 6-way power adjustable seats. Both driver and passenger have the auto up and down feature for the windows. So if you just tap it one time, the window will come all the way down. Tap it one time, window goes up. Rear passengers don't get the auto up feature. You have your rear AC vents, armrests with integrated cup holders. If you notice, it's black carpet all the way around. And that's your vent for the batteries. Honda's owner's manual says we should keep this area open. Let's not put anything over it. And now we're going to talk about the engine. This is what it looks like. It is a 2.0 4-cylinder engine. For those of you that remember, a few years back, Honda Accord had a version of the hybrid as well. It was a V6 and the car didn't perform as well. For 2014, Honda nailed it. This car is going to get you 50 miles per gallon in the city with the 47 combined highway and city driving. So this is going to use 3 different modes for driving. You have your EV drive mode, your engine drive mode, and your hybrid mode. So your electric vehicle drive mode powers the front wheels via energy stored on the lithium-ion battery. And the engine drive mode will work when the car is cruising or slightly accelerating on flat roads at higher speeds. So when that's happening, the 2.0 liter engine helps drive the wheels through a clutch. The third drive mode is hybrid drive mode. Basically, the engine is working as a generator, supplements the current drawn from the battery. When that happens, there's absolutely no physical connection between the engine and the drive wheels. On this Honda Accord, there's no power steering fluid. It's electrically boosted steering on this car, which helps the car accomplish a higher MPG. Here you have your lines for your brakes. It's the 4-wheel ABS, which are also electrically assisted with regenerative braking. You have front and rear disc, which will do 70 miles per hour down to 0 in only 184 feet. So engine power is rated at 141 horsepower, in case you're wondering. And now we're going to talk about the styling. On this model, the headlights are designed a little differently compared to the other models. See if you can see this. So there's a octagon shape 1 and 2. They are LED. You've got your LED daytime lights down here as well. Wraps all the way to the side here, so you got better visibility. Now it is blue down there, which is exclusive to the hybrid trim levels. So you got blue there, you got blue on this trim, all the way here, around here. And of course, you've got your hybrid badges there. For all hybrid models, you're going to get this type of wheel. It's the only wheel that's available on this package. They are actually not to my liking, but definitely aerodynamic. For safety, you got these turn signal indicator lamps on both driver and passenger side. You got an extended view mirror on the driver's side, so there's a little line right there. Not sure if you can see it. It's meant to pretty much eliminate blind spots. Chrome door handles. There's a sunroof, shark fin antenna. LED backlit tail lamps. Different design compared to the LX, EX models, for example. There's your badge right there. Hybrid touring. Single exhaust. Passenger side, you don't have the expanded view mirror, but you do have the camera attached to the mirror there, which, like I showed you earlier, shows up on the screen where the map for navigation comes up. Alright, and now I'm going to show you the trunk space here. As you can see, there's no pass-through seats. That's because the battery is located right behind that wall. Every Honda Accord comes with carpeted floor mats. There they are. And no spare tire on the hybrid model. If you're wondering why, it's because Honda includes a tire repair kit, which consists of a pump and a DC cord to plug into the car. Kind of wish it would put a tire, but I'm assuming it's for weight purposes. Now, looking at the top of the trunk lid, you notice that it's covered with fabric material, which is a good thing. Gives it that luxury premium look. So that's what the back looks like. Real nice looking spoiler. And now we're gonna talk about the price. Alright, so this is an actual Marooney sticker, is what they call it. I'll just say it's MSRP. So there's two different numbers here. The very first number up here is going to give you the cost of the vehicle, manufacturer suggested retail price, I should say, of $34,905. And this price right here is the price including the $790 destination and handling charge. Alright, so that concludes the video on the 2014 Accord Hybrid with the touring package. This color is a white orchid pearl with ivory interior. Thank you for watching my video.